Welcome to this in-depth review of MinIO, a robust cloud storage solution designed for businesses and individuals who need scalable and secure data storage. Whether you're familiar with the term cloud storage or are hearing it for the first time, this review will cover everything you need to know about MinIO and how it stacks up in the competitive cloud storage landscape. First, let's talk about what MinIO is. MinIO offers high-performance, distributed object storage, often likened to solutions like Amazon S3. The key advantage of MinIO is that it allows you to deploy your own cloud storage infrastructure, giving you full control over your data. This makes it ideal for companies prioritizing data security and privacy. Advantages. One of the biggest strengths of MinIO is its flexibility. With MinIO, you can configure storage on local, cloud, or hybrid environments, making it adaptable to various business needs. Additionally, MinIO is known for its fast data transfers and ability to handle large amounts of data. This means whether you're storing documents, videos, or other assets, MinIO offers the scalability required for both small projects and enterprise-level storage. Moreover, MinIO's user interface is straightforward, so even those unfamiliar with cloud storage can easily navigate it. Plus, since MinIO is an open-source solution, it's continuously evolving, with regular updates from its active community. Disadvantages. However, MinIO isn't without its downsides. It requires some technical know-how to set up and maintain, as it often operates best with a dedicated IT team or technical support. Unlike fully managed cloud solutions, MinIO puts responsibility on users to manage their own storage. Additionally, if you're not familiar with object storage concepts, MinIO might feel slightly complex at the start. Service overview. Now, let's look at what MinIO offers in terms of service. MinIO is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their storage solutions precisely to their needs. You can run MinIO on your own hardware, whether on premises or in the cloud. MinIO also supports advanced features such as data encryption, replication, and erasure coding, ensuring that your data remains protected and recoverable. Cost. When it comes to pricing, MinIO is open source, which makes it free to download and use. However, if you need advanced support or enterprise-level features, MinIO provides a subscription plan. Compared to other cloud storage providers, MinIO can be a cost-effective choice, especially if you already have infrastructure in place. In the middle of this review, here's something important to note. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-hassle solution to store a large amount of data, buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever with no annual subscription at the link in the description. Final thoughts. To sum it up, MinIO is a powerful and versatile storage solution for those who prefer managing their own storage systems. With its high performance, scalability, and open-source nature, it's a compelling choice for businesses and advanced users alike. If you're interested in an affordable, secure cloud storage option that offers great value, MinIO is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more content on cloud storage and tech solutions.